Welcome to my unboxing and first look of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can see there I have it in the green color, black box with green. Any color you get, like say if you were to get gold or silver or space gray, that would be the same, the text, the iPhone text. The back there, 256 GB I got. Okay, let's open it. Wow, that is made out of one glass, that. And it doesn't look as nice, but them three cameras, this phone is basically Apple are marketing it about its cameras, and that's what I will be testing later on. And I received the phone yesterday, but I've had a bit of a cold, man flu if you want to call it. I still have it, so apologies if my voice is a bit funny, but I have been taking a few pictures and stuff, and it does have a really good camera. As we all know, Apple don't change much in their phones. So this is the iPhone 11 with the three cameras. It took them time to bring the third camera out. I think the iPhone 12, I can show you what it will look like now. So they won't change anything else on the screen, the body, everything will be the same. There we go. It will have four cameras like that. They've moved the Apple logo in the middle there. And because we're in the UK, we've just got a bit of text there. The camera, as I mentioned before, it's made out of one glass, that module there. It's got three lens at the bottom there. It's got the speakers and the charging port. They did not put a Type-C charging port, but they have given a cable that adapts the lightning cable into a fast charging. Power button, and that's where you'd put your SIM card. Volume rocker and your mute button. Nothing at the top there. This is all made out of stainless steel. Apple do say this is the toughest glass on a phone ever. Now to the front of the screen. So I need a moment of silence, please, while I remove this. This is the most satisfying thing on any purchase. So, shh, shh. Felt good. So the screen, as you can see, that's the front camera. The front camera and the rear camera can record 4K 60p. They both can. That's amazing. 12 megapixels, the rear cameras on the front one. We just move that to a side. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so designed by Apple. That's the paperwork. And inside it's got some Apple stickers to put on your Android phone, because I don't know why they provide them, and there's just some more information there. It's got the earphones there. So that's the fast charger, 18 watt. You can see there, that's where the port is. So you finally get a fast charger included. In the previous models, you had to pay a lot for the phone, and then you had to go out and buy a fast charger separate. Thank you, Apple, for including it in. That's your Type-C, and that's the lightning cable, so it's an extension. They've done it the other way around. I wish they had put it onto the phone, but they haven't. At least we've got fast charging. Something though, isn't it? There we go. Let me move that to a side. Let me bring the phone back in. I do have a case and a magnetic charger review coming up for this phone, so stay tuned for that. Of course, this is a 6.5 inch. It does have a bigger battery. Apple said the battery in this will last you 5 times longer than the iPhone XS Max. Let's see what wallpapers it comes with. So this is the first time you can have dark mode on, and as you can see, I have dark mode on mine. So you could choose these wallpapers, 7 of them. You even have the live ones as well. So if I were to hold on to that, you can see that it's moving around. If I cancel that. Let me go into light mode. Let me just go back. Let's go into wallpapers now. If you go to the dynamic ones, you could go to the silent ones. If I go to the live ones now, push on that. See there? I prefer the dark theme, so I'm going to dark theme. And the brightness there, as you can see, was less than half. So I've put it up now. That screen is absolutely fantastic. You've got your 1x, you've got your 2x, that's the telephoto lens, or you can do the ultra wide. Camera settings, record mode, you could record 4K 24p, 4K 30p and 4K 60p. So those of you that are complaining about Canon cameras that don't have 24p, buy an iPhone. Actually, this can work as your main camera because the picture quality is excellent. If you use the Filmic app, you can use both cameras to record video, slow motion. You could do 1080p HD at 120 frames per second or 1080p HD at 240 frames per second. Wow. Right, let's look at
Pro. Every detail has been used as an opportunity.
As you can see there, it's got a beautiful screen. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it on the camera.
Uncompromising performance in any situation.
It's got good speakers as well.
The iPhone 11 Pro design is a stainless steel structural band and a three-dimensional glass back made from the toughest glass in a smartphone. It's sculpted from a single solid sheet, reinforced down to the atomic level.
There you go, my friends. That was my first look at the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments section below what you'd like to see. If you already haven't, do consider subscribing because I do different product reviews. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. My friends, as always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.